guys, Cameron and I are over here at the shop. Cameron, what you doing? So anyways, we're over here at the shop and got the 300 up on the lift, and was coming to look at the exhaust one more time. I had that middle muffler cut out of that catback Z system. It sounds a little bit better, but I was looking at either doing a test pipe or something to remove the cats or whatever and see how they sound. But on our way over here, I noticed the tire felt a little funny, and I thought, oh, it's probably just cold, a little flat spotted or whatever, but because it really didn't feel like a flat tire, I guess it was flat. So when I got here, it was pretty much on the ground. And this tire right here, you can tell that it got the sidewall kind of hot there. I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, I filled it up with air, and it had a kind of a strange bulge. So I noticed it bulging kind of odd on here, and it was all, I don't know if it was resetting in the rim or what it was doing, but it looked strange. And then a couple seconds later, it just goes boom, just the loudest explosion I've ever heard. And Cameron and I got scared, and you see bits of rubber right here in the wheel, and then rubber on the ground down here, and up at the very top on the inside is where it exploded. I don't know if you can see that. See, look at that. That's crazy. See that gash right there? Where it just separated the whole tire, a couple different marks there. Pretty wild. What is cool, this thing's got some, I guess it says KYB right here. You can see that KYB there. And these things are called New SR Special, made in Japan. So, but I guess they're a division of KYB, but those are the coilovers on here. So anyways, another thing I just noticed is kind of cool. Look at these little brake ducts here. This is made into the panel off the bottom, and it directs air directly into the brake. It's kind of cool. It's all factory under panel stuff there. Pretty neat. Right there, little tiny nail. Actually looks like it's been in there a while. Must have just decided to leak, and did not notice it. Look at this gash right here, just all the way down. Look, that's on the outside. I mean, it just blew this thing apart. The steel belts and everything, and it just ripped it open. That would be super dangerous down the highway. But luckily it didn't do that until I put pressure on it, and it blew to the inside and not at the outside right here where I was standing, but that still kind of sucks. All right, so I did get the little pipe drop down here. There's the inside of the cat. And that's the little O2 sensor sticking up in there. Now, if I chisel these out, I know somebody's gonna say it if I don't. Catalytic converters, especially the older ones, had a fair amount of platinum in them, so they're actually worth a small fortune. So it's free to rip them out and gut them, or you can take them off the shop, have all that work done, and then sell the cats to get the platinum out. But you know, this is free. So, well, it's been a little while. Greg, thank you for coming by and picking me and Cameron up. So he ran us back to the house, and I got the smart car out here now. So came back up here. I'm trying to finish up doing the cat stuff, and then I'll head out today. Hopefully we'll see what it sounds like today. Be able to knock this stuff out, and can't drive it until I get the tire in. So, but appreciate it, Greg. Appreciate you coming to get us. All right, let's see what we can do. All right, so the cats are cleaned out now. All the stuff's gone, and I didn't realize it, but platinum is actually fairly dangerous, and I didn't know that. So platinum, the dust and everything, can cause platinosis, which I just looked up. Sounds pretty horrible. So make sure that you have on a mask and safety glasses and all that good stuff. I've got on safety glasses and stuff, but I probably should have had a mask on. So anyways, future reference. So if I'm not here much longer, we know exactly why. So be safe when you do this. But it looks like these are the bands and everything inside here, and there's platinum in these honeycomb kind of pieces, but these are like platinum bands, metal bands that all go in there. So all that pulled out, so who knows. So we'll see. All right, the exhaust is all buttoned back up together, so we're gonna fire it up. Daddy showed up. He's gonna be my cameraman. So it sounds like. Hoping for GTR. Ah, main gear. Now,